What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally some DIY stuff for the new house, the new garage. Today we're tackling some very overdue maintenance items on the Mini Cooper here behind me. Today we're gonna be tackling the struts. These guys right back here on the hatch, they're getting a little lazy and they're making a little bit of a rattle noise when I drive around. They're cheap, take all about 2 minutes to replace, so we're gonna swap those guys out. All you need to do this is a pick or a tiny little flathead. Really simple, takes about 2 minutes per side, I promise. And then secondly, the little light bar above your license plate that has your hatch release right there. Rubber is completely deteriorated, all the guts are hanging out. So we're gonna swap this guy out as well. I believe it's 4 torque screws and a pigtail. And that's it. Really simple DIY. And both these items will be in the description below. Both were from Amazon, got here in about 2 days. Pretty inexpensive. So, all right, let me strap the GoPro to my head and we'll get to work. All right, well my GoPro's dead, so we're using my phone. We'll make it work though. Only thing we're gonna do is take a little pick or a small screwdriver on both top and bottom, this little guy right there. Get that in there, we're gonna pull that off, just like that. Make sure it goes flying underneath another car, just like that. And this guy, all right, well, lesson learned. One of these will not hold it up, so make sure you get something in there first and foremost. Luckily, nothing broke. Holy cow, what a debacle. Now we can take this guy off, or actually undo the bottom first. Kind of the same thing. See right down there? Put a little pick in there. Get the little coupler off. Make sure that goes flying right over there. I'm doing this one hand, guys, so I apologize. Now, we can take the whole damn thing off like that and like that. And that's it. And the new one is gonna go right over top the old ball joint, just like so. And slip over the bottom. You can, if you need to, you got to push it up a little bit to fit over top of that. I got to put you down for 1 second because I have one hand. Okay, like I was saying, in the bottom, they just slip right over top. Nothing too crazy. And then the little clips on there will hold them in place. As you can see, with the one new one on there, it'll hold up the whole damn hatch. So don't be like me. Make sure you reinforce the hatch. That was amateur hour on my part. Hopefully you can see me do this real time on the other one. It would be a good idea to grease these little ball joints up while you're doing this as well. It might help if I take this one off first real quick, idiot. All right. Again, a little pick in there. Any small, damn, these things are hanging on by a thread, holy cow. And that's it, you're done, seriously. Make sure it works. Ooh, nice and tight, holy cow. Wow, what a difference. All right, the next thing we gotta fix. See that in there? That's all messed up. Button's all boogered up and gone. The little button right there, see the blue part? That's the button. So looks like a T, it's tiny. T20, and there's 4 of them. They're not too tight, which is nice. So get all 4 of these guys out, and I'll show you what the pigtail is for the license plate lights. All right, get the last little screw out here. Hopefully the damn thing just pops off. Cool. All right, all 4 screws, it should just come out. Nice. Get the little clip out, the little connector. On the back of this, there's like a little tiny hole right there in the bottom, the square one. I pushed that down with my pick right there, and it came out. It's brittle, it's old, so please be careful. Let me just clean up really good before I put the new one back on. All right, the fun part, peel off a little plastic protector. Oh, cool. Looks good. And I can see all my painting perfections on the old paint, but that's okay. Well, there you go, guys. How to swap out this guy and your hinges in all about 10 minutes. Pretty easy day. Cool. Like I said, with the garage put back together, I'll do a full cleanup, detail, and paint correction on this guy. So, All right, gang, that's all I got for today. Feel free to ask questions if you got them. I'll see you guys next week. Mark out.